Electric cars are ditching AM radio, a critical safety tool. This is true. I have not seen AM radio. In which car? The Taycan has no AM radio. Does the Tesla have AM radio?
Yeah, it has the TuneIn radio app.
Okay, but
I think it has AM.
That's a little different, though.
Yeah, it's an app.
Yeah, that's a little different. Because you would assume the web would be down. Like the idea of the security feature is zombie apocalypse status, and there's people are just go back to broadcasting on AM or something to reach people in an emergency situation where maybe like the cell towers are down. AM radio is one of the critical ways that federal, state, and local officials communicate with the public during natural disasters. See what I mean? And other emergencies. If drivers don't have access, they might miss important safety alerts. This hasn't happened to me in my life where I've needed AM radio, I don't think. Automakers say EVs' electric motors interfere with AM frequencies, creating annoying buzzing noises and faded signals. Okay. Can't even do it. Can't even do the AM. Automakers say consumers are moving away from radio and television for news and information. Well, yeah. I don't think we need automakers to tell us that. Those that have dropped AM radio say customers can still access transmissions in other ways, such as through digital streaming packages or Bluetooth connections to smartphone apps. Okay. But again, those systems need to be up and running to then utilize the AM. The Trade Association Alliance for Automotive Innovation also points out that FEMA's public warning system is designed to provide redundant alerts across multiple outlets, text messages, and emergency alert. I'm saying if the cell network is down, but I guess radio towers can be damaged too. Why is it whenever I watch a zombie movie, you got to tune in to some radio station?
Yeah.
To get the alert. It's the last thing standing is maybe simpler tech.
Yeah. And AM is kind of just like a broad range. It's like a huge area.
People also say shortwave radio as well.
Right.
Like pick up the piece, Remember when you had the convoy there going to Ottawa and everybody was communicating via... Yeah, that was what it was.
Yeah, walkie-talkies.
Terrestrial radio, both AM and FM, reach 92% of the U.S. population, more than any other medium. Wow. Well, reach means what? Like, you still have to turn it on. I guess people have the technology in one of the things that they own. 50 million people listen to AM radio, according to Nielsen figures. That's amazing. To this day. Of the 20 automakers surveyed, BMW, Ford, Mazda, Polestar, Rivian, Tesla, Volkswagen, and Volvo have all removed AM radios from their EVs. I don't think it's coming back anytime soon. I think people are just going to have to figure it out in the zombie apocalypse. They're going to need to keep an AM radio in the glove box or something. Crank powered. Those things exist.
An old timey.
Crank powered. They're pretty low power consumption devices.